face to face. There is no way you could mistake. And for your man, are you insane? See, I know that you may be just a bit jealous of me, but you're blind if you can't see that his love is all in me. See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what he told me. He said without me he couldn't make it through the day that I shared. And maybe you misunderstood, cause I can't see how we could wanna change something that's so good. All my love's all it's took. You need to give it up. Had about enough. It's so hard to see. Boy, it's mine. I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. Oh, it's mine. You need to know it's me, not you. And if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. I think that you should realize and try to understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You can say what you wanna say, what we have that you can't say. From the truth you can't escape. I can tell the real from the bad. When will you get the picture? You're the best in the future. You're the way my love to shine. If you didn't know the boy is mine.
Hey guys, so I have finally finished styling this wig. Now this is a update video, and I put quotations because I haven't worn this wig since I did the review. And I did the review on this wig in February, and since then I took that frontal class, and the way that I customize my wigs and apply them is different. So with this update video, this is more so me first trying out the stocking cap method for the first time, and then me cutting this down to a shoulder length style. So first off, the hair is still, obviously it's not going to be in bad condition because I haven't worn it since the original review. And if some people have a problem with that, this is not like a typical update video, because a lot of times I can't wear these wigs throughout the week currently because I teach and I do not change my hair up during the work week. Okay, so during the summer when I can actually change my hair every single day if I want to, I'm gonna have like legit updates instead of just like styling updates or stuff like that. But with this particular wig, the curl is beautiful. I used my spray bottle that has conditioner inside of it, and then I put actual conditioner, leave-in conditioner, the Garnier Whole Blend Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner, and I ran it through the hair, and it made the curls pop. So if this looks this kind of looks similar to the Rihanna inspired Wild Thoughts wig that I reviewed from, I forgot which company I did that for, but I sold that wig. And this one that I made is a bit longer, and I like that it's a bit longer. So the length in the back is still a little bit kind of long and like uneven, but I'll have to trim that up another time because the hair is getting everywhere and I don't want to have to deal with that. But as of right now, I do like the kind of blunt curly bob thing going on. In the original review, I did customize the front of the wig. So this morning, I tried the wig on to see if I needed to customize it some more. And so I didn't have to do that much. I just tweezed a little bit out the hairline with the new set of skills that I have. And I think it turned out really pretty. I really like how this looks. I did have some issues with the stocking cap method starting out, and that's why you'll see me making faces and stuff, because it was kind of difficult to me. It was difficult for me to get like the situation beside my ears and stuff, because it was lifting, and I was getting impatient and kind of prematurely cutting the stocking cap off. But in the end, the scalp and everything looks very, very natural. Now another reason I don't typically do the stocking cap method, or I haven't tried it, is because I take my wigs off every single night. I don't like wearing my wigs overnight because I like to scratch my scalp, and I have to film other videos and stuff like that. But I definitely wanted to try that on my channel because I did have a few people ask me, have I tried the stocking cap method yet? And it's really cool, and I feel like it definitely helps with making the hairline look natural. I'm probably not gonna do the stocking cap method as frequently until it's summertime, when I can, you know, take a few days and wear the same wig a couple days in a row or something like that. And this just looks really, really cute. I really like the curly bob look. It's very, very pretty. Yeah, so this is not much of an update video. This is more of a styling and application kind of update video using hair that I've already had. So yeah, this hair is from Unice hair. You can watch the original video. It looks way better right now after customizing it a bit more and styling it. I want to thank Unice hair for sending me the hair to review for you guys. I'm kind of late on the update video I had to do for them, but I thank you guys for being so patient. And I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and look out for more videos. I haven't done a synthetic wig review in probably a week and a half or so, but I got some coming for you guys. All of them are going to be in color. None of them are black. I figured it's spring, summertime, so I want some color on my channel. Definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm on there a lot, which is iFancyCupcakes. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
And if you can't see that his love is holding me. See, I tried to hesitate. I didn't want to say what they told me. They say without me, you couldn't make it through the day that I shared. And maybe you misunderstood, cause I can't see how we could wanna take something that's so good. All my love was all it took. You need to give it up. Had about enough. There's so much to see. Boy, it's mine. I'm sorry that you if you didn't know it, girl, it's true. I think that you should realize and try to understand why he is a part of my life. I know it's killing you inside. You can say what you wanna say, what we feel that you can't say. From the truth you can't escape. I can tell the real from the fake. But when you get the picture, you're the best in the future. You're the way my come to shine. If you didn't know the boy is mine, oh, had about enough. It's not hard to see that boy is mine. Sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me, the boy is mine. Give it up. Had about enough. It's not hard to see. He's mine, he's mine, he's mine, he's mine. Sorry that you. I'm so sorry. You seem to be confused. He belongs to me. You see me getting now. The boy is mine without a doubt. You might as well win the time. Makes you think that he wants you, and I'm the one to put him to a special place in my heart. Give my love from the start.
Off camera, I put some baby hairs like in the front area. I was trying to do like very minimal, but it was looking kind of naked, so I did add a little bit of baby hairs in the front. And I think baby hairs look good, especially with curly hair. I think baby hairs are kind of like beneficial because the hair is already curly, so baby hairs kind of complement it. But I do like how the half up, half down style looks, especially after I thin the hair down, thin the hairline out a little bit more, and I cut back some of the lace because I had too much lace. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.